Welcome to your English learning class. Today you would learn proverbs. Before starting proverb, students, we should aware what is proverb. A proverb is a short saying, wise word, usually that is written in a simple language. In short proverbs, lots of truth, common sense, experience, wisdom can be noticed, and they are indisputable, in the sense inarguable. In a form of proverbs, we can advise, we can console, we can inspire, or we can comment on events. Let's start your English learning proverbs. Students, you will learn proverb along with their meaning, and you would use these proverbs in your writing section. The first proverb is prevention is better than cure. Its meaning is it is easier to stop something from happening than to repair the damage after it has been done. Students, this proverb is fully justified because if we wash our hands regularly, wear face masks, maintain distance, and most important, stay at home so we can prevent ourselves from any disease. So, prevention is better than cure. The next proverb is a penny saved is a penny earned. The meaning of this proverb is saving money is a good habit and saved money is as valuable as earned money. Student, in this lockdown period, we could survive because of save money. If we have habit to save money, so we can escape ourselves from any calamities. The next proverb is too many cooks spoil the broth. The meaning of this proverb is lots of people working on one task may lead to confusion resulting in a poor final outcome. If all the people trying to cook one dish, so this dish taste not be delicious. So always do one task with perfection. The next proverb is man proposes, God disposes. The meaning, human beings can make any plans, but God determines the final outcome. People make daily plans, but they can't control the outcome because the supreme power God knows what is best for us. The next proverb is don't kill the goose that lays golden eggs. The meaning of this proverb is don't destroy the source of your income because of greed to earn more. Kids, I hope you all understand these proverbs. Now, you will use these proverbs in speaking or in your writing section. Okay, students, thank you. Always keep in mind, believe you can and you will. If you have belief in yourself, you can always do better. Thank you.